Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss what's in my camera bag. But first, a little story about me. Photography's always been a hobby of mine. Fast forward to 2019 where I was offered the gig to take pictures for the Cleveland Indians minor league teams. This website's photographer just quit and they were really looking for a photographer. So I got hired. I was able to go to Virginia and Ohio to take pictures throughout the season. When the season was over, in December 2019, I moved to Japan, and then I had to start all over again with my photography. But in October 2021, I was hired again to take pictures for Shizuoka Veltex. It's a pro basketball team in my hometown. I'm now taking pictures into the end of the season for the 2021-22 season that ends in May. And we'll see what happens after that. I'm going to show you right now that you can take pictures on the low-end camera and still be a published photographer. I am living proof that this could happen. Let's take a look at my gear. We're starting with the Canon Rebel T7i. It's multiple camera and video with a lot of presets and also a manual mode. You can do a lot of in-camera editing. It has a flip screen. With the touch screen for selfie or solo recording. Easy access view, point of view. You got the 18 to 55 millimeter kit lens that came with it, the camera. It has autofocus, manual focus, and stabilization. My first real big purchase in the hobby was a 70 to 200 millimeter Canon zoom lens. It came handy when I was doing spring training in minor league baseball. I was able to use a monopod and it helped out with the weight. It's real heavy. You have auto or manual settings and it came with its own carrying case. This is my Sony 55 to 200 millimeter. This is great for basketball. When you're not allowed to use tripods or monopods behind the baseboards, this comes in real handy as you're able to hold the camera longer and more steady at a shorter period of time. And it's a lot lighter than the 70 to 200. It also has auto and manual settings. I usually use audio focus because of the action to the game. It focuses on the players and the action faster. For my small action cameras, I have a Gopro 7. The tape on the covers to cover the red light. Basically, when I'm shooting on the baseline or shooting anywhere, it's not affecting the play or players. As you can tell, it has a touch screen back. It does time-lapse video and pictures. This is just some of the accessories for the GoPro that I have. I was at a flea market. I bought a big box for like 20 bucks and it had almost everything you can think of. Extra screws, knobs, plates, selfie sticks, holders, everything. So you got like this GorillaPod, you got the vest mount for POVs, you got a selfie stick. It comes out with a tripod here. Pull this out, it becomes a mini tripod. You can add the extension onto this selfie stick and make it even a longer selfie stick. And we have a tabletop screw down for a flat surface. Here is the camera bag. It's way budgety. Mail-in order catalog, and for 20 bucks. It does everything. It's small, it's not the best, but it's suitable for me and it has everything I need. It has my side pockets. I have my media pass. I have a towel just to wipe off sweat when I have it. The other side has also a pocket. I also built in a water bottle holder to keep it cold and to keep it stuck in its spot. And let's see what's inside the bag. We have all our separate compartments. These are Velcro. You can move them around wherever, however you like. Couple things I have in here is the waterproof. If it rains, stick this on the outside. It prevents the bag from getting wet. When it's not raining, I leave it in here as an extra cushion for the actual camera itself. I have a wristband just in case I have to carry the big 70 to 200 and it gets too heavy and it helps my wrist. I have black electric tape. You never know what you need tape for. I got a air sponge cleaner. And everything pretty much fits in here. Let's see what I got. It also has a couple storage things. Let's see what we got. We got, ooh, this is the dollar microphone that I use. I got the battery charger for the camera. I got the GoPro charger. I have, oh, another GoPro adapter. This goes on, the GoPro goes here on top, and this slides into the light area, the light on the camera, and it actually, you can point directly off and see directly in front of you from what you're shooting. And polarizing filter. Other compartments, I have the remote control for picture taking automatically, like for time lapsing, and just set it and run, walk away. I got a couple of thumb drives just in case whatever I want to store it and show somebody, and it's right there real quick and easy. Always have a notepad, write down notes. That's a business card from one of the staff. This is the back. I'm not going to show you their front, but this is a business card I got from Veltex Shizuoka basketball team that I shoot for, and if I need to get a hold of them somehow, I got their business card. Of course, every time you have a notepad, you need pens. I got two just in case, and this USB port is actually the reader for the SD drive for a mini, which is the GoPro. So this is empty right now. The GoPro just slides right in there, and I can record it from there onto the PC, or I can shoot it from, upload through the GoPro itself, plug it into the computer. And basically this is inside my bag, my camera and my gear. And now I'm going to show you the software. When I edit my videos, I use Vegas Pro 13. When I edit my pictures or thumbnails for YouTube, I use Adobe Photoshop Lightroom 5.